umbilical cord. Yeah.
Umbilical cord.
Yeah, it's probably umbilical cord
Yeah.
and it dried to her.
Thank God I got a nurse. You're a nurse.
Yeah, I might just take these all up to the fucking hospital
To
for
the
a second.
vet, right?
Yeah, because look, it's stuck to her.
Yeah, we should go to the vet.
Yeah, I need you to take me to the vet.
I got you.
Can you drive me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right.
But she's not gonna. Let me see if she's gonna nurse him.
First, yeah.
She's gonna nurse him. She took off.
Come here, Gretchen.
Stop, Gretchen. Stop.
Come here, Gretchen.
Stop.
Stop. Oh man, what I'm gonna do, man? I might have to hand feed these things, and that's a lot of work. Lord be with me.